Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to mask in CapCut. And this is quite simple, so I will show you this as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, first of all, it's important to throw a clip just here on your timeline. And from here we want to mask maybe just the ball. What we're gonna do now is click on this clip, go to mask video and then mask. And here we have the option to mask something. Now we can do this on a horizontal line, just right here, just the mirror, where you can make it a little bit symmetric. You can do a circle when you just want maybe only the ball. You can do a rectangle if the sides of the clip are not necessary to use. A heart and star if you like this one. I don't like this one, I don't know why, but no, it's a bit messy in my opinion. So we want to use the mirror one. Then we want to do this, and right now we are playing with a clip. You see that we just created a symmetric, effect from the underside here and the upper side. But hey, this is how you can use the mask option in CapCut PC. If you have questions, please comment them below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.